Hello lovies, it's Gina from Gina Louise Designs. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I make my rusty hardware to make rustic decor and farmhouse decor, and it's safe rust, not real rust, not the kind that creates bacteria that can be very harmful. Not all rust is harmful, but it does create a bacteria that if it does get in an open wound or your mouth or any other orifice, it will make you very sick. So I only create safe rusty metal, and this is how I do it. Today's DIY, how to make rustic rusty hardware. You are going to need new hardware. I picked up these brackets from my local hardware store. You're not going to need these paint stirrer ends. I was just using them for something else. You're going to need some flat black Rust-Oleum paint, some ground cinnamon, and a sealer. I took my new hardware out of the package. I put it on a piece of foam board. The screws I popped in, and I lightly spritzed some black spray paint to get it all speckled. Not a full coverage, but enough on there. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle it with your cinnamon, and then you're going to spritz it again with some more paint. And you're going to put more cinnamon on top of that because you're going to want it to look like it's erosion and corrosion and popping through. Don't be afraid to load on the cinnamon. After the paint has dried, you're going to take your sealer. I use the Krylon matte finish sealer, and I just sealed it really well. Look how beautiful that rust looks. They came out so good. And in my next video, you're going to see what I did with these beautiful brackets. You can create this effect on any kind of metal. Look how pretty these came out. I just love it. And the cinnamon does not come off, and it looks so cool. Look at that. No cinnamon falling off. Maybe a little bit. Not really though. Love the way they came out. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, say hello, leave a comment, and watch my next video to see what I did with the rusty hardware. Thanks for watching.